Oh, it's too early for this. Roll the intro. Morning! Island Biker here on this chilly but lovely Wednesday morning. Currently 8 degrees, just gone 7 o'clock, heading into work, and I just wanted to introduce the next video, which was something I recorded last weekend. However, I had a massive tech failure. In short, I got 2.5 hours of stunning island road footage and absolutely no audio. To say I was disappointed is an understatement, but I'm always one to make the best of a bad situation. So I've cut together some of the highlights, put a bit of music to it, and uploaded it for your viewing pleasure. So yeah, take a look. I hope you enjoy it. The highlight for me that day was riding the Southern Coastal Road, the B3055, otherwise known as Military Road, for some stunning cliff-top riding action. And it was just an absolutely gorgeous day. Please enjoy. I will see you on the next one, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Have a great week, people. Cheers.